Hey guys, are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a life free from the burden of debt? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we dive deep into the world of personal finance. In today's video, we are going to tackle a topic that hits close to home for many, the debt-free journey on low income. Guys, just once imagine you're juggling bills, struggling to make ends meet, and drowning in debt. It feels like an endless cycle with no way out. But let me tell you, my friend, there is hope. Being debt-free is not reserved for the wealthy or those with high-paying jobs. It's a path that anyone, regardless of income, can embark on. Yes, you heard it right. Today, we'll explore the hard truth about being debt-free and how you can achieve financial freedom, even when faced with limited sources. So let's get started. But before starting the video, let me tell you that whatever we're going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel, and if you will gain anything from the video, do like it and comment to let us know. Guys, we all know that debt can feel like a heavy burden, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Many people face financial challenges, especially when living on low income. However, with determination and the right mindset, it's possible to break free from debt and create a better financial future. However, I won't sugarcoat it for you. The road to debt freedom on a low income is not an easy one. It's filled with challenges, sacrifices, and hard truths that you need to confront head on. But here's the thing. Facing these truths and taking action is the key to transforming your financial life. So let's dive in and start rewriting your financial story one chapter at a time. Guys, the very first step on your debt-free journey is acknowledging your current financial situation. You need to take a hard look at your income, expenses, and debts. Without acknowledging these factors, you can even imagine a debt-free life. You should create a budget that outlines your income sources and tracks your expenses. This will help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Now let's talk about the hard truth. Being debt-free on a low income requires sacrifices and discipline. Simply, it clearly means that you have to make tough choices and prioritize your financial goals. It might mean cutting back on unnecessary expenses like eating out, entertainment, or luxury items. Guys, it's essential that you adopt a frugal mindset. Always look for ways to save money and stretch your income. Try as much as possible to consider cooking meals at home, shopping for groceries strategically, and finding low-cost or free entertainment options. Every small change in your day-to-day life can make a significant difference in the long run. Friends, if we talk about one of the creative ways to save money, then the simplest way is that you can adopt some innovative and practical tips for saving money, such as meal prepping, buying in bulk, using coupons or discount codes, and finding free or low-cost entertainment options. Another hard truth about being debt-free on a low income is the importance of increasing your income streams. While it may seem challenging, there are numerous opportunities to earn extra money even with limited resources. You can approach side hustles, freelancing, or exploring money even with limited resources. Online platforms that allow you to monetize your skills and earn more. We have made a separate series called How to YouTube Automation for Side Hustle Ideas. Well, alongside increasing your income, it's crucial to prioritize debt repayment. You need to start by tackling high-interest debts first, such as credit card balances or payday loans. By focusing on these debts, you may be able to minimize the amount of interest that accrues over time, saving you money in the long run. Additionally, one strategy that can greatly help you on your debt-free journey is negotiating with creditors. Many people are unaware that they can contact their lenders to discuss repayment options. You can simply ease your financial burden and make progress towards becoming debt-free by negotiating lower rates or more manageable payment plans. Remember, staying motivated is an important key during your debt-free journey. You need to surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or online groups. Try to share your goals, celebrate your victories, and lean on others during challenging times. The encouragement can help you stay on track and provide a fresh perspective when needed. Finally, be patient and realistic. Guys, just keep in mind that your debt-free journey won't happen overnight, especially on a low income. But if you put in consistent effort, be determined, and have the willingness to make sacrifices, you will make progress and eventually achieve financial freedom for sure. As we wrap up our today's video, I want to remind you that your financial situation does not define you. Throughout this video, we have explored the hard truths about being debt-free and provided practical tips to help you overcome the challenges. Remember guys, if you're embracing the hard truth about being debt-free on a low income, then you're simply taking control of your future and paving the way for a more prosperous life. But here's the thing, my friend, it's up to you to take action. Now it's time to implement what you've learned and make a commitment to yourself. You need to start by assessing your current financial situation, create a budget, and set realistic goals. Remember, progress is not always linear, but every step forward counts, so be patient. Keep in mind that being debt-free on a low income also requires sacrifices and discipline. It won't always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. If you imagined a life free from the weight of debt, where you have financial freedom and the ability to pursue your dreams, then you would understand that sacrifices are necessary. And lastly, guys, be kind to yourself. Understand that setbacks may occur and unexpected expenses may arise, but remember that resilience and determination will get you through. Just stay focused on your ultimate goal of financial freedom and don't let temporary challenges deter you. Before we end the video, let's take a moment to answer some frequently asked questions about the debt-free journey on a low income. Question 1. Is it possible to become debt-free on a low income? Absolutely, why not? While it may be more challenging, it's definitely possible. The key is to be proactive, make a budget, cut expenses, increase your income, and prioritize debt repayment. The first step is to create a realistic budget that accounts for your income and expenses. Analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Every penny saved can be put towards paying off your debts. Question 2. How do I stay motivated during my debt-free journey? Guys, staying motivated is crucial. You need to set realistic goals, celebrate small milestones, and find support from friends, family, or online communities. You have to keep reminding yourself of the benefits of being debt-free and envision the financial freedom you're working towards. Remember, staying motivated is a mindset. It's about embracing the long-term benefits of being debt-free and staying focused on your financial goals. Question 3. What if unexpected expenses arise while on a low income? Remember guys, unexpected expenses are a common challenge. It's important to have an emergency fund to cover these situations. Don't forget that unexpected expenses are a reality for everyone, regardless of income. So start by saving a small amount each month and gradually build up your emergency fund. This will provide a safety net and help you avoid going into further debt. Question 4. How can I negotiate with creditors effectively? While negotiating with creditors, make sure to be honest about your financial situation and explain your commitment to paying off the debt. Always ask for lower interest rates, reduced monthly payments, or a longer repayment term. Remember, it's in the interest of creditors to work with you, so be persistent and don't be afraid to ask for help. Question 5. How long does it take to become debt-free on low income? The time it takes to become debt-free varies depending on your income, expenses, and the amount of debt you have. Hence, it's important that you set realistic expectations and be patient with yourself. Remember to stay focused on your goals and celebrate every milestone along the way. Question 6. How can I start rebuilding my credit after becoming debt-free or low income? After becoming debt-free, rebuilding your credit is an important step towards financial stability. In order to rebuild your credit, you need to follow a few strategies. Monitor your credit report for accuracy, make timely payments on all your bills and debts, consider getting a secured credit card to establish a positive payment history, explore becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card to benefit from their good credit, and apply for a small credit building loan or a credit builder account. So guys, as we conclude, remember that your journey towards a debt-free life is a transformational process. Embrace the hard truth, stay disciplined, and be proud of every step you take towards financial freedom. If you're a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the hard truth about being debt-free on low income. Remember, your journey to financial freedom is unique, and it's important to stay focused on your goals. Don't compare yourself to others or get discouraged by setbacks. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to a debt-free life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Share your experiences and tips in the comment section below. Together, we can inspire and support each other on this debt-free journey. Until next time, stay focused, stay determined, and keep working towards a debt-free future. Take care and see you soon.